Women simply have it easier. They can enhance their looks by using makeup, eyelash extensions, injections, and hair extensions, dramatically transforming their looks. But what about us men? How can we transform our looks? In this video, I'll show you 9 ways you can start today to improve your facial attractiveness. Let's get started. Number 1. Strengthen your jaw. To enhance the definition of your face, consider working on your jaw muscles. If you have excess fat or skin under your jawline, shedding 5 to 10 pounds can make a noticeable difference. To achieve this, try reducing your calorie intake, avoiding processed and junk foods, and drinking a gallon of water with fresh lemon daily. Number 2. Have bright eyes. If you want bright eyes, it's important to address any issues like bags and dark circles under your eyes. To keep your eyes looking healthy and bright, make sure you get enough sleep, 7 hours or more, use eye cream regularly, avoid rubbing your eyes, and refrain from smoking, whether it's cigarettes or weed. Number 3. Have a white and confident smile. A confident smile can boost your appearance and self-esteem. If you're feeling insecure about your teeth whitening is a quick and easy solution. Try whitening toothpaste or pens, get professional teeth whitening, and chew sugarless gum. Above all, maintain good oral hygiene. Number 4. Groom the brows. Groom your eyebrows to elevate your overall look. Avoid excessively thinning or arching them for a more natural appearance. Trim stray hairs underneath while maintaining the ones above. Pay attention to the center area to prevent a unibrow. Number 5. Add facial hair. Facial hair is the man's equivalent to makeup. Let your facial hair grow for a month and then analyze how it can make you look better. Facial hair can add depth and dimension to your appearance, as well as strengthen your jawline. Just remember to take the time to groom it properly and find a style that works for you. Number 6. Mewing. It's a technique where you place your tongue on the roof of your mouth with your lips closed and teeth touching. Some believe it can reduce the appearance of a double chin and sagging cheeks, as well as sharpen your jawline. Consistency is key to see results. Number 7. Get fit. No matter how great your facial structure may be, excess weight can hide your best features. Even if you have killer cheekbones or a chiseled jawline, extra fat can obscure those defining features. While it may take time to shed those extra pounds, the first step is to create a fitness plan tailored to your goals. This doesn't mean crash diets or extreme measures, but rather making sustainable changes to your diet and exercise routine. Consider joining a gym or working with a personal trainer to help you achieve a leaner, healthier look. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Did you know that drinking enough water can work wonders for your skin and overall health? It helps flush out toxins and keep your body in top shape. If you struggle with getting enough water, start by finding a water bottle that tracks your intake throughout the day. And even if you think you're drinking enough, your body may need more to stay hydrated. After all, we're made mostly of water, so drink up and let your inner glow shine. Number 9. Have a skincare routine. I've already made a video going in depth on this. You can watch it by clicking here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe so I can provide more videos like these. Peace.